mình phải khăng như kê mà mình không có gì mà hả
cái hungry
khăng à
đã xí ta cái hungry plate
còn mở cái phục họ xì phần năng cả cái phục này nhưng mà như này xì đấy à
phải chỉ biết thùng lực đây lắm
phải một tắc
một tắc tiền con ta
đấy một môn là mặc cho cái đông ai chơi tay thành một chơi tay lương lương sốt rồi go school là không đó cái xì mấy người nhỉ
sai tranh côn chưa thể cái pun nó có vai là hồn
xì tê
chặt chồngปีนี้รถนังใบ
น่ารถ
นี่ปีนั้น
รถไอ้กาด
mấy cái súp tây phải chanh côn rồi
mình mày ăn này ăn trong xì này chơi tao bên chơi sợ tại chơi sợ đầy sắp chơi tao bên tất cả mùi chút tay tùy sắp chơi bên tất rọt bay đòn mùi bao chơi sống bay
hello today I have a new video for you guys. This is a lunch time I give to my doggy. Yes, we make with chicken and rice because this is our traditional that we give to our dog. We don't have dog food, but we give human food to dog. It's the same. It's not different. I hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you so much. If you want to support me, please give me a subscribe, give me a like, give me a comment on Puppy Loeun. And if I have any wrong, I'm sorry, because this is our entertainment and we don't make animal lovers. We give happy life for them because they live with us. They are our member, so we love them as my kid. Thank you guys. I think she does not like this food. Maybe I think she have a pregnant. So sometimes some food she like and some food she don't like. I think so. But another guy they eat empty now. Chocolate and roast they hungry so much, so she eat empty right now. Now she start to fry the chicken. meat. She eat a little bit dry. She just want the chicken. Three of them. This is the first son. This is second doctor. So this is a mother. This is a mother of them. So two of them cannot do anything when mother they cannot go to eat with mother because mother is so angry if somebody eat with her, so she always eat alone after she's finished, after she's full, so some of them can eat. Thank you so much. Goodbye everyone.